Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the opening of MICROLIFE BP B6. So we have it right here, and flip it to open the box and take out what we have here. The box isn't necessary here. Okay, and zip it out. So, right here we have the instructions. Yeah. How to do it. Here. Some not necessary things. Okay. And right here, here we have the pressure gauge. I think that's it, or not. I want to take it off of here, but I don't know how to do it. I'll just slide it through here. Okay. Nope. Okay, yeah, it is. That thing is going on our hand with the cable. Here we have 2 sets of batteries. And the cable with an outlet. Oh, and here is the pressure gauge. The last piece. Oh, or not last, because we have the cable, one more cable right here, and this. So I'll try to open that. Okay. And now that's pretty much it. Here we have, oh, I can take it off. Okay. So 2 sets of batteries, the pressure gauge, 2 components, and cables. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.